Siyempre, there are hardships so you have to reflect and look at the bright side and tignan mo kung ano yung positive na makukuha mo out of it. I'm Monica Francesca Santos, and I'm an RVC Relationship Manager. I'm based in Triangle Drive, BGC. My colleagues call me Mons. I've been with Union Bank for 10 years. January 2024, that's my 10th year here in Union Bank. More years here in Union Bank, I'm sure. When I first entered Union Bank, I was in an RM. I was a Corporate Solutions Manager, so with cash management. I stayed there for a year and then gratefully, I was invited to try this job as an RM. I'd say yung exposures ko, overall, it made me a better RM in terms of giving a more holistic financial advice to my clients. As an RM, there's always an opportunity to excel in something. Because we sell a lot of products, I see it as an opportunity na if hindi ko panahon on this product, then there are other products na I can focus on. So, hindi kami nauubusan. There's always an opportunity out there. It's a job where we can practice our diskarte. So, we have our KPIs, pero kung paano mo maabot yun, it's up to you, diskarte ka, how you work, your discipline. So, I like that about being an RM. Our job especially, we involve a lot of coordination and collaboration with other units. It's really the culture here. Yung culture talaga natin here. We like it. I love it. And we don't just create products to sell to everyone. We really customize solutions and we study a segment and then look at the pain points. And kung wala tayong ganun, then we create one. We are not afraid to do that. So that's what I like most about UB. My sales director is Toby Ocampo. He has his way na parang he doesn't need to raise his voice on you. He doesn't need to say hurtful things to motivate you. I think it's leading by example. That's what I always tell him. Boss, thank you because you always lead us with the heart.
Same goes for my BGC team, my co-RMs, my branch partners, operations partners, and to my clients for the trust and the support. I share the success with all of you.